Hello and welcome to this YouTube video from our Peakboard Hub series. In this video I want to show you how you can work with Peakboard Hub variables. So here we are in the variable section of Peakboard Hub, where I can start by clicking here on add variable and we just give it a name. Let's call it my test bar. And we also select one of our three data types we commonly use. In that case, let's just select string. We can also add constraints here. So for example, a list of different values. Let's give three options here, A, B and C. And here now I click on add. So now I have the possibility to change the value of the variable to A, B or C. Now let's jump into the Peakboard Designer to use this variable. Here we go to variables and add a new variable. We call it here the same, but we could also call it different and set here the value also to A. And now here on the left side you can see the Peakboard Hub section, where I can connect this variable in my application to my Peakboard Hub variable. I'm also able to directly create from here a new variable in the Peakboard Hub if I don't want to connect it directly here to an existing one. But in that case, let's just connect it. And now I drag it on the canvas. Let's change it to a text box so we are able to edit the value. When I go now to the preview button, then I can see here my value, and when I change it to, for example, B, then you can also see in the Peakboard Hub the value has changed. And the same is working in a different way. So when you change the value here from the Peakboard Hub to, for example, C in that case, and we go back to the application running on the Peakboard box or here in our preview, then you can also see the value has directly changed. Also, it is possible to bind a value of a list to a variable. To do so, you can select one of your Peakboard Hub lists and select a cell, and then you can click on bind to variable, where you can create, for example, a new variable or use the existing one. In that case, I create a new one and I call it my machine state and click here on add. Now in the variables you have one new variable here, and when the value changed in the Peakboard Hub list, the value will also directly change in the variable and also in the application connected to the variable. That's all I wanted to show you about Peakboard Hub variable today. See you in the next video.